Welcome to our Django tutorial. Today we're tackling a question that many newcomers to Django face. Our viewer is looking for guidance on how to use different serializers for varying fields across multiple views. Specifically, they want to include just the ID field in one view and both ID and name fields in another. Let's dive into the details of their model and serializer to find a solution together.
Welcome back to another technical video. Today, I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy, just like me, and hopefully find that resolution you're looking for. Now, let's continue on to the video.
To address your requirement of using different serializers for different views in Django REST Framework, we will start by defining two separate serializers. Next, we will create two views that utilize these serializers. The first view will return only the ID field, while the second view will return both ID and name. Finally, we need to configure the URLs to point to these views. This will allow us to access the different serializers through specific endpoints. Let's now look at a user-suggested answer. To create a serializer in Django REST Framework that can handle different fields in multiple views, you can use a dynamic fields model serializer. This allows you to specify which fields to include or exclude when initializing the serializer. For example, you can create a user-create serializer that inherits from dynamic fields model serializer. This serializer can be initialized with specific fields like username, password, and tel. You can then create instances of the user-create serializer by passing in the request data along with the fields you want to include. This allows for flexibility in different views. Let's now look at another user-suggested answer. To handle different serializer fields in multiple views using Django REST Framework, you can create a mixin called Select Serializer Mixin. This mixin allows you to define various serializer classes for different actions like list, retrieve, and update. Next, you can add this mixin to your view set. For example, in my model view set, you can specify different serializers for retrieving and listing data. If you need a serializer with a dynamic set of fields, consider using an approach from YCase Answer on Stack Overflow for more flexibility.
And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped answer your question and you found that answer that you're looking for. Now, please hit subscribe if it helped. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time on another one of these videos. Cheers.